Welcome students. In BA part 3rd, we were reading first papers. In first paper, there are various types of poems in which first, second and third starting 3 poems are written by Indian poets. As we discussed already in our last classes that in poetry section we just read 3 Indian poets. Out of these 3, today we are going to discuss our poem, that is Ecology, a very short poem written by A.K. Ramanujan. Ecology is a very short poem, very beautiful poem, very emotional. Today we just started introduction and the theme that is presented by poet in this poem. The word ecology, it is very necessary, it is very must to know about the clarification related to title. So the title of poem, that is Ecology. If we discuss ecology in the reference of science, then it provides a meaning that it is a branch of biology that deals with human nature. Here, in reference to our poem, as a title of poem, we just describe, we just explain the meaning of ecology in a very smooth explanation. That ecology, as we know that it is a branch of biology, but here in this poem, ecology as a branch of biology is connected with the relationship of human being. Means, in easy language, we can understand, we can say that this is a different type of a study in which human nature is linked, is considered in the relationship with vegetables or with environment or with biology. To try to understand the feeling of poet, that A.K. Ramanujan provides his sense that what is the role of nature, what is the role of environment, or what is the connection of nature and environment with human body. Try to understand. It means that in this point, we just make a relationship between nature and human being. Poem is very important and poem is very logical also. We discussed it, or we can describe it as a communicative poem. We know that in this type of communication, there is 2 types of the person, they are communicating to each other. There are 2 types of the person, they are communicating to each other. This is not a formal communication. You just try to it as an emotional dialogues between a mother and a son. Here we are describing A as son. This is son and this is B, we are calling it as mother. So the ecology, the poem, ecology is a communication, it is a dialogue, it is a speech between a son and mother. In easy language you can say that a son is talking to his mother. But this is not, you can say, a simple or an ordinary communication. It is a communication upon, you can say, domestic debate, घरेलू विवाद. So the ecology presents a domestic debate. How we can say it is a domestic? Yes, the matter that was here in the base of communication, the matter that is the base of dialogue is the matter of domestic connection. What happened there? There happened various things. Now, it is necessary to know about the origin, about the background of this dialogue, that what is the base of dialogue. We understand in this point that a mother and a son is communicating. Now we are just describing as a son. Son, here is the speaker. Now we can say that son, here is the speaker. And we also put the son as the lover of mother, as the lover of mother. This is an important matter. Try to keep in your mind always. And in its mother, we are calling it mother. She is the lover of nature. So this is the communication between love of nature and love of mother. I think it seems something complex, but when we read the poem line by line, the matter is clear. What is the matter? Matter is this, that poet's mother means the lady in this poem is the mother of poet. She just victim in the disease of migraine. पोइट की जो माताजी हैं उनको माइग्रेन की दिक्कत है, सिर से रिलेटेड जो बीमारी है माइग्रेन, उससे वो पीड़ित है. एंड वी नो दैट माइग्रेन इट्स कनेक्शन इज रिलेटेड विद द माइंड एंड द स्मेल ऑफ एटमोस्फियर जनरली comes in mind, and then there happen various types of pains. All these type of the disease that is related to mind is concerned here as migraine. तो माताजी जो थी सी विक्टिम बाय माइग्रेन. एंड होता क्या है कि माइग्रेन की जो बीमारी है उसमें गंध सुगंध खुशबू वगैरह दिमाग में चढ़ जाती है और उससे काफी पेन होता है. Here the same is the position now. Now we know that there are 3 चंपक trees, 3 चंपक के पेड़ हैं. These 3 चंपक trees are in the home of poet. तो जैसे ही मानसून की सीजन स्टार्ट होती है, these 3 जो चंपक के पेड़ हैं they start to smell fast. उनमें तेजी से खुशबू शुरू हो जाती है और ये हर सीजन में होता है. मानसून जैसे ही आता है it happened in the home, the position or the healthy position of mother disturbed a lot. ये माताजी जो माइग्रेन की शिकार है, इनकी मानसिक स्थिति, इनकी माइग्रेन की स्थिति की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा शारीरिक रूप से इसको दुख होता है. तो poet as a son, as a speaker of poem, wanted to cut down these 3 trees. वो चाहता है कि तीनों पेड़ों को कटा दिया जाए और हर मानसून के शुरू में उसकी मदर से उस पर वाद विवाद होता है, डिबेट होती है, बहस होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि फॉर ए सन मदर इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन नेचर. दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर ए सन मदर इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. द लाइफ ऑफ मदर इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन द लाइफ ऑफ नेचर. तो पोएट इज राइट हियर. Although he is just wanted to cut down the tree, and to cut the tree is not a good one, but here its relationship is not bad. Its link is connected with the welfare of mother. तो poet पेड़ कटवाना चाहता है, इसलिए नहीं कि he was not like the nature, but इसलिए he wanted to save mother, good and healthy mother. क्यों? For him mother is important than nature. Second side, mother never suggested, never wanted the trees will be break down, cut down. मदर नहीं चाहती कि ये पेड़ों को काटा जाए, तोड़ा जाए. मीन्स सी लाइक ट्रीज सो मच. अगर वो पेड़ों को चाहेगी तो इसका मतलब मानसून के 3-4 महीने उसको दुखी रहना पड़ेगा और ये दुख बेटा सहन नहीं कर सकता. फिर भी हर मानसून को ये बहस होती है और लास्ट में मदर जीत जाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि सन इज नॉट सो एक्सीड, सन इज नॉट सो आउट ऑफ यू कैन से पावर दैट ही ब्रेक डाउन द डिजायर, द सजेशन, द एडवाइस ऑफ मदर. और हर बार ये बहस होकर रह जाती है. पेड़ कई सालों से वहीं पे हैं. मदर मानसून में दुखी हो जाती है लेकिन पेड़ काटने नहीं देती. बेटा हर समय काटना चाहता है. जैसे ही मानसून आता है वही पेड़ काटने की बात दिमाग में आती है. लेकिन जैसे तैसे, हाँ ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि क्यों नहीं काटने देना चाहती मदर, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाई देयर इज द इंटेंसिव लव ऑफ मदर फॉर द ट्रीज. यस, देयर इज एन इंटेंसिव लव ऑफ मदर फॉर द ट्रीज. पेड़ों के प्रति माँ का प्रेम बड़ा गहरा है. दे आर लिंक्ड, देयर इज द कनेक्शन of divine relationship. There is the connection of God with trees. Mother says that these trees are not the common trees. It led to the connection of God. Kaise? Mother says that these three trees are not developed manually. They are dropped by the seed from the God. Means mother says that the seed of these three trees fall down from the sky to a bird, and that bird fall down these seeds in our home. We are lucky because the tree is the contribution of the God. It contributed by the God here. ये पेड़ के बीज ऊपर से गिरे थे, ऐसा मदर कहती है कि जब वो इस घर में आई थी आफ्टर मैरिज, and she entered the home, it is as old matter. So mother says that the trees are as old as I am, as I came in this home. The trees were just built by the bird that was passing through our home, and its seed is coming automatically in our ground, and then these trees develop. तो इन तीनों का संबंध मदर कहती है कि अपने को पेट ये जो लगे थे, इसके बीज ईश्वर ने एक पक्षी के माध्यम से अपने घर में गिराए थे, और our थर्ड जनरेशन आ गई, दैट इज यूजिंग इट्स फ्लावर्स. लिखा है इसमें माई डॉटर्स एंड डॉटर्स डॉटर्स, बेटी की बेटियों तक यानी थर्ड जनरेशन तक इस तीनों पेड़ों के फ्लावर्स वो काम में ले रहे हैं. इसलिए दे आर अटैच द मैटर ऑफ रिलीजन, they are attached the matter of God gifted. It is the trees that was God gifted. So this is the logic behind mother's desire. How she faced every problem, but never wanted to cut down the trees, because she considered trees as the gift of God, and she never ignored the gift of God. So this is the point. That is very beautiful point, and I think in the next class we will read it line by line. Thank you.